Another major connection that you had in Germany was Gentleman. How did you connect with Gentleman? How did all of that happen there?
Well, my publisher, who was Munich based, he called me and said to me, Radics, there's like a reggae fraternity in Cologne, Germany, and they hear that you're there and they would like to meet with you. So I said, okay, no problem. So I met with them, and out of that, within that camp was Gentleman, and so we had a nice little vibration, and I was doing at the time I was signed to EMI, and I was doing my EMI album, and I liked the way, Gentleman sounded, so I did a duet with him for my EMI album, which was called Too Bad. And so then he subsequently got a deal with Sony, and wanted me to work with him. So I remember his first two albums, I did 3-4 songs, and I remember on his third album, he said to me, boy, Mr. Radics, I hear a song them the people them loving them, why you do not 2 or 3 songs, why you do the whole album. And so that was his album called Confidence. And so that was his first actual gold album. And yeah, the rest is our story.
Because I know you worked on that album, you worked on the other 2 albums also. It was really 4 of them that you worked on.
Yeah.
You guys worked for about 8 to 10 years. You guys were working for?
Absolutely. That's on the money there.
And how was that whole journey in now? This is another chapter for you now where you're more penning for another artist, because you're usually penning for yourself or doing covers. How was that now penning for somebody, and even somebody that's almost from another country that speaks another language, but this is what they love also? How was that experience for you?
It was actually a wonderful experience, mostly because here what Gentleman afforded me. Songs that I couldn't write for myself, or I wouldn't, because of the way the machinery is structured, it wouldn't be accepted. Them wouldn't take it from me, but them take it from Gentleman. So yeah, for me it was like, wow. I had a chance to how shall I say, to see things from a distance. And yeah, it was. I actually quite enjoyed it. It was enjoyable because I'm a star, and so I got a chance now to be a star maker. So that was like, wow. Because I remember I went on tour with him. I would go on tour with him sometimes, and when he turn around and he see me back there, I say pam pam, you see all the muscle in I'm neck back a twitch, I think I come here and say, yes, give it to them, man. Yeah, so yeah, it was a nice experience, I'll say that.
Because you guys won, you did a lot of sales. That was some of them were gold sales, and some were also platinum at that time too.
And the project did really well. Yeah, did really well. Yeah, absolutely.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.